Hello guys, I'm Stoika from the Thumbnail Blaster team and I'm back with 20 new templates for this month. Check them out, they are really amazing. But before I'll show you each template individually, I want to tell you that each template can be 100% customized and make it to fit your needs. For example, this template is about reactions to videos, but you can easily customize it and make it your own about any niche that you want. Let me quickly find a picture in here with okay, I have this image. I think it will work, even if it's not my best image, I have to say. Okay, we can just put it here, and instead of reactions to videos, I can say whatever I want. 2020 new SEO method, new SEO. Okay, awesome. If you have Thumbnail Blaster Pro, you can go here at image filters, play with the hue and change the colors. Let's see if we can make it fit my t-shirt. Okay, now it's like good, I like it. And in here again we can play and make the smiley a different color to fit. Maybe it's not the best colors that I just chose, but you get the point. What I recommend you is to keep the colors that we suggested in the templates and just change some images and make them your own. So let's take a look at the templates that we prepared for you. Last year it was a trend to create reaction videos to other videos. So check this out. This is an amazing template. Look how good it looks. Look how good the colors are combined and everything. It makes you want to click and see what it is about. You know, amazing. This one, I think it's my favorite template from this month. Let me quickly show you. Fortnite. Look at the level of detail. Look at all the lights. Look how good the colors are combined. Look at the fonts. Everything is perfect and you can 100% customize it. For example, I don't like this girl, so I can just delete it and you can add whatever image you want. Let's try an image. Let me see if I can find anything. Okay, I like to put images with me. Okay, so Fortnite, your title goes here. Well, I think it looked better with that girl, but you get the idea. You can customize everything. You can move, you see the lights, these lights, small lights. You can make it your own. It's an amazing template with an amazing attention to details. We have a vlogging template this month. We have a video equipment template, but as I told you, you can just write whatever you want in here and you can add your image here and you make it your own about any niche. It is a very nice looking template. PS4, Counter-Strike, Global Offensive. I wasted a lot of hours playing Counter-Strike, so yeah, why shouldn't we create a template for that? Rocket League, Dentist, PUBG, Fortnite. We can't have a PUBG template and not have a Fortnite template, right? Lose weight, you know, in the spring everybody starts to panic about about gaining weight in the last month, so they are starting to hit the gym or try to find good videos about how to lose weight at home. We prepared this amazing template for you. Gaming template, reactions to videos, I already showed you this one. Tutorials, again, you can customize it and make it your own. This is a very general video template that I created for you. You can just replace this image, the image that is with me and Hera. You can replace it with whatever you want and it will have this nice badge over it. And it will look amazing on YouTube. Plus this, with new video you can write whatever you want, but I recommend you to leave new video in there. It will increase your click-through rate like never before. I tested it and it works, so keep it like we created. Again, some very cool templates in here. This one, again, it is a very good template if you plan to use it on your sales pages or in your emails. You can just replace the background image and keep it in rest like it like it is. It is a very nice template. If you're a member of the VIP club, you already have access to these templates in your account. We just added them. If you're not a member of the VIP club, You can find the link in the description, click it, and if you join the VIP club, you will get access to over 400 templates, including these templates, and you will take Thumbnail Blaster to the next level. I promise you. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.